ACEBOTT is located in Shenzhen, China, covering R&D, production, sales, and logistics. Our mission is to empower children and create future. We hope to cultivate creativity and innovation, trying to guide them as future problem solvers. ACEBOTT is a leader in STEM education, offering 3 main product series: Explorer, Education Solution, and Inventor. Designed for age 8 and up, our kits feature multiple programming options through Arduino IDE and ACE Code. The Explorer series provide beginner-friendly STEM kits with themes like Smart Home, Smart Farm, and Smart Car. With a storytelling tutorial and easy-to-use app, kids dive into sci-fi wonders, learn the principles of smart devices, and master basic programming and circuits. The Education Solution series offers STEM teaching kits like the Smart Home Education Kit. It provides comprehensive content covering sensors to AI, cultivating innovative thinking and practical skills with practical projects. Each theme includes 4 semesters of content, 16 classes per semester, and 90 minutes per class, as well as providing 6 years of detailed teaching materials and teaching slides, which meets the teaching requirement of the school. The Inventor series includes a creative STEM kit like the Quadruped Robot, offering 8 lessons with app control for easy completion of fun tasks. We cooperate with schools, organizations, and individuals, offering customized STEM education solutions and diverse products, including ESP32, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and microbit controller boards. Our goal is to provide high-quality, innovative, and engaging education solutions. We work with global brands to drive innovation. Since inception, we've partnered with many industry leaders to grow our business and improve service. Our products are certified to meet international standards like UKCA, CE, RoHS, FCC, PSE, and FSC, reflecting our commitment to quality. We are dedicated to providing safe, reliable, and superior products for the best customer experience. We engage globally at exhibitions like the Maker Faire, UK Bed Fair, Canton Fair, and Hong Kong Fair, connecting with educators, tech fans, and families worldwide.